Do you sometimes feel that your life is passing by you and you have no control over it? Now imagine waking up every day with a renewed sense of purpose and control over your life. That's the gift of living intentionally. With living intentionally, we gain clarity, we break free from victimhood, and we build a life that aligns with our values and dreams. It's time for you to let go of that passenger seat and take the steering wheel of your destiny. Join me on this journey as I share the secrets to living intentionally. Intentional living is a philosophy and lifestyle approach that is about making deliberate choices and taking conscious actions in all aspects of our life. It is about living with awareness, clarity, and a sense of purpose rather than simply living on autopilot or letting life happen to us. Intentional living is rooted in the idea that by aligning our actions and decisions with our values, intentions, and dreams, we can lead a more meaningful and fulfilling life. Here are some key ways in which living intentionally can empower you. 1. Clarity of values. In order to live an intentional life, we need to define our core values, beliefs, and long term goals and intentions. When we have a clear sense of what truly matters to us, we can make choices that are in alignment with those values and beliefs. Imagine a person who highly values family and meaningful connections. There comes a time in life where they feel a lack of connection with their family. Through living intentionally, they take the time to redefine this core value of family. As a result, when they make choices about how to spend their time, they are aware and clear about their values and prioritize spending quality time with their loved ones over other activities. This clarity of values works like a guide that helps them nurture those family relationships and bring them a profound sense of fulfillment because now they know they are living in alignment with their core values. 2. Letting go of victim mentality. Living intentionally encourages a shift from thinking we are a victim of our life circumstances or people around us. When we have victim mentality, we think there is nothing we can do to make our situation better and blame other people and circumstances for our problems. But by making conscious choices rather than simply reacting to circumstances or people, we start to feel we have some control over our life and the way we respond to others or situations. Living intentionally encourages us to take ownership of our choices and actions and focus on solutions rather than problems. Think of a person who often feels their friends are pushing them away or overlooking them, and they don't speak up about it. They don't know how to do it. With living intentionally, they decide to take ownership of the way they feel. Instead of just reacting to being overlooked, they start an open conversation with their friends about their needs and how they feel. This shift from a victim mentality to open communication empowers them to improve their friendships and feel more valued. 3. Prioritization. By prioritizing what truly matters and simplifying your life, intentional living can reduce the stress and overwhelm that often come from trying to do too much or pursuing goals that are not in alignment with your values. It also helps you avoid wasting your time and energy on goals and relationships that aren't in line with what you truly believe in. Living intentionally gives you the opportunity to pause, reflect, and realign. A good example is someone who values their physical health and exercising. They used to say yes to every social event, and that left them with little time for self care and exercise. As soon as the first signs of physical problems come up, they remember that through living intentionally, they know they need to pause and reset their priorities. They start saying no to non essential commitments, and this way they find time for regular exercise and relaxation. 4. Building self confidence. By setting and pursuing goals that are in alignment with our values, living intentionally can lead to a sense of accomplishment and fulfillment as we make progress toward what we truly want. That sense of accomplishment boosts our confidence and helps us let go of negative beliefs we have or we may have about ourselves. 5. Authenticity. Living intentionally encourages us to be true to ourselves and our values. When we are authentic in our actions and interactions, we can build deeper and more meaningful relationships. And also, we can make a stronger sense of self, and that empowers us significantly. Imagine someone who used to pretend to be someone they are not just to fit in with a particular group of friends. Through living intentionally, they decide to be authentic. They start being true to their values and beliefs, even if it means standing out or having different opinions. As a result, they form more meaningful connections with people who appreciate them for who they are, and they feel empowered to be their genuine selves without fear of judgment. Why it is worth doing that? Because when they were pretending to be someone else, they never felt good about it. Now they feel good about themselves when they are being authentic, and that makes them a lot happier. 6. Reducing regrets. When we live intentionally, we are less likely to look back on our life with regret because we have made choices that reflect our true desires and values. This freedom from regrets can be an incredible source of empowerment. 7. Personal growth. Living an intentional life means actively looking for opportunities for personal growth and development. This can involve learning new skills, challenging our comfort zone, and continuously evolving as a person. And what could be more empowering than personal growth? Now that you've gained some clarity in regard to living intentionally, what do you think? Do you like living intentionally? I would really like to know. But after all, who wouldn't want to have control over their lives in a way that helped them feel more fulfilled and satisfied with their lives? With living intentionally, we understand that we can make positive changes in our lives and we can move away from victimhood where we are helpless and at the mercy of our external circumstances. With living intentionally, we say goodbye to helplessness, to victimhood, and a miserable life, and we embrace a happier and more fulfilled life we deserve. A life with no regrets, a life we don't consider wasted after all. I hope you like this video. If it is so, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time.